Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. I'm looking at a piece of my sweet potato pudding that I baked the other day. I was so busy I couldn't get to show you the whole process, but I have a nice slice here now to go along with some chocolate tea. This pudding is extremely delicious. Like some people in America, they would make like the sweet potato pie. It's close to like the sweet potato pie. Jamaican like their sweet potato pudding. Even all those in the diaspora like the pudding.
I've got a country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Yeah, oh, what a crisis we're living in. Things tough, but we're still not giving in. We've been treading it rough from the beginning. And Mr. Condescending is so belittling. It's not a good way for you to treat a sibling. Me say you have to give thanks for the little things. Sometimes you have to get cross for a little bridge. Mama earth is the fullness of everything. Country life sweet. Me say countryman smart. Me say they track these streets. You have it tough like rock. Me say country life sweet. Me say the countryman smart. Me say they track these streets. You have it tough like rock. Just thumbs up on all of us. If you like the content, just subscribe. Just ring the bell at any time, so you can know when the new content arrive. It's IHL.
My viewers, time for me now to get into this pudding here now, devour it. You can see like the little cream on the top, the liquid. A lot of people like that little soft part up the top there, the sugary part. Wow, I'm gonna really enjoy this feast right now. These are some Gros Michel bananas. Thanks everyone for watching. Lots of blessing, lots of love wherever you are viewing from. Hope you have enjoyed that little video. Thank you very much. Big up, big up, big up.